Now to a bombshell from Governor Newsom. The early spread of COVID-19 traced back to a California nail salon. The governor citing that as one reason nail salons should stay closed right now.
CBS 13 Steve Large is live with the new revelation and reaction from the industry. Steve.
Yeah, the governor getting a lot of attention for that revelation today, shining a bright light on nail salons and the business of beauty. And he said it's a business that has too many red flags right now.
This whole thing started in the state of California, the first community spread in a nail salon. I just want to remind everybody of that.
The governor called it a reminder, only this was all new, pinpointing a nail salon as the location of the state's first community spread COVID-19 case. Solano County Public Health would not confirm if the nail salon the governor referenced was the same case they made public February 27th, when they reported what they also described as the state's first case of community spread coronavirus.
Who's helping me feed my children?
For Sacramento nail salon owner Jessica Elise, the forced closure of her business in the name of possibly saving lives is also putting her livelihood at risk.
Our sanitation is above many restaurants and other places that are conducting business right now. We feel like we've been left, like we feel defeated right now in the beauty industry, like we're not being heard, we don't matter.
In Yuba and Sutter counties, nail salons have opened in defiance of state orders. The Board of Barbers and Cosmetology released a statement reading, if businesses continue to put public health and safety at risk by not following the state and local shelter-in-place orders, the board may pursue disciplinary action against their license. This will not be taken lightly. California's beauty industry in economic peril.
I just feel like it's a cover for not helping us out, honestly.
During a pandemic, the governor says requires he maintain the public's protection.
But right now, all of our health indicators and health directives put some red flags in that space.
So as we've been reporting, stage 2 of the reopening of businesses starts tomorrow. Nail salons are in stage 3, which the governor says is still months away.
Steve, thank you.